it's me LG. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here's another video from my recent vacation in the Philippines and the place called Venice Grand Canal Mall. Venice Grand Canal Mall is located in McKinley Hill in Taguig City, Philippines. To start off, this open space outside the mall, it's called Venice Piazza. As you can see, there's a lot of stores available. It's a night market. You can enjoy dining, eating, food, tripping, anything. There's so many things to buy there, like food, clothes, and everything. You can enjoy and hang around since they have available chairs and tables. Popcorn. Aside from shopping and enjoying the food tripping at the night market, you can also ride this kiddie train that is only for 50 pesos. And another thing, they have a carousel ride which is also 50 pesos per ticket. Here's the look inside a mall. So this mall opens from Monday to Friday from 11 a.m. up to 9 p.m. And during the weekends, Saturday and Sunday, they open from 9 a.m. up to 9 p.m. After the carousel ride, this time we are going to try the kiddie train ride. One of the things I look forward to upon visiting the Venice Grand Canal Mall is the gondola ride. Gondola ride ticket is 400 pesos per person with a minimum 4 in one boat. Unfortunately, that night, we were not able to ride the boat because of the timings. There's a lot of queue. The waiting time is 2 to 3 hours and they are almost closing by the time I came to buy the ticket. Since we were not able to ride a boat, we just passed our time watching it, do the mall window shopping, and right afterwards, we decided to have our dinner. Level of Venice Grand Canal Mall. It's dinner time. So many restaurants available here at Venice Grand Canal Mall, but as of this time, it's too crowded. So most of the restaurants are full, and we are lucky enough to find a table here at Mac's Restaurant. Kanin is life. Look at the chicken. Parang pagod na rin siya. Char! So this is what we ordered. The rice, the roasted chicken, and then the seafood pancit. Plus, we have the dessert, ice cream, and halo-halo. After the dinner, we rested for a while and then decided to walk around the mall. So this is the third floor of Venice Grand Canal Mall. So from this area, you will see so many restaurants available like Mang Inasal, Taco Bell, Kuya J, and Savory as well. After walking a few minutes, we ended up to this nice, open, beautiful spot. They decorated the open space with all the Christmas lights and the Christmas tree. So this place is very Instagrammable. almost time to go. So this area, this is an entrance exit of Venice Grand Canal Mall. So once you enter or exit, you will see all this lineup of toys claw machine.